Shadow puppetry, a clever mix of storytelling, light, and belief. Simple tech, but deep meaning. It all started in China, around the Han Dynasty. Legend says an emperor mourned his dead concubine so deeply. A court magician created her shadow behind a screen. Grief met illusion, and shadow theatre was born. The art is in the details. Craftsmen use flat knives and punches to carve intricate patterns into thin leather. Mineral pigments provide transparency, allowing color to glow through the candlelight. As trade routes expanded along the Silk Road, shadow puppetry traveled and evolved. In Indonesia, it became wayang kulit, deeply spiritual and tied to ancient epics. Audience sees the shadows, the dalang sees the truth. A bridge between ritual, art, and psychology. Shadow puppets prove that humans have always loved stories, long before our screens were digital.